Hello everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 2 of the Bordeaux Bliss look. I figured we just go and dive right into this. I have my eyes prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. And I think for the first part of this, I'm going to dip right into Naked Sunset, which is going to be this one, the middle one. And I'm gonna go ahead, I don't know how deep this is. This is kind of deep. I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know what, this is gonna be our brow highlight. It's a little deeper than what it typically would use, but bear with me. There's a purpose behind this. Oh, this is such a beautiful palette. I know this is only my second time playing with this, but like, I want to buy another one. Oh my god, I do not need any more. So, going in with this is actually such a beautiful color. Do whatever's left, kind of like the inner. Perfect. Let me go ahead and blend that out with, oh, that is like a liquid. It's almost like, it reminds me of the shade Eleganza from Divine Rose 2 is what this is giving me. The vibes of Eleganza. And the shade from the Bridgerton also. Was it the Belle of the Ball or something like that? Next, I am going to go into, what is it? Nude Venus 2. Is this Nude Venus 2? On the blush brush. And I am actually going to go ahead and just begin to use this, because I'm going to use this as the blush as well. But let's really create a moment with this look, because I'm going in with I want to do a very smoky, dramatic type of look. You'll see what shade I am thinking of. Perfect. Is this getting to what I want it to do? Oh. Using this blush like this now, I can really see the mauviness to it. I have to bring this down just a little bit more to get more of that blown out look. I love this brush. I need to buy another one of these. I don't need to, but I want to. Perfect. So this is where we are at so far. Like, oh, that is a moment. Now I'm gonna dip into the Ruby Noir. This is going to be the star of this look, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and use my fingers to pack this on. I have a feeling the smoked amethyst probably has more of a punch than this one. I think the smoked amethyst has definitely more of a truer, deeper black base. But I mean, you can see that ruby specks in it. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's just such a beautiful shade. Going in with a flat brush to really pack it on. On the outer. Like, this color story is very, very cohesive. Right on the bottom as well. And I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and really begin to just smoke out the edges. That is all. Yes, because we're gonna bring it down this way as well. Bringing it out a little bit more. Oh, I love a really good smoky moment. And this is really creating that moment for moi. Oh, just really begin to build up the outer corners and on the bottom. Very, very, very beautiful quint. But I'm just gonna add more into the depths because we're gonna smoke it all the way around. Let's not be shy. Oh, let me just go ahead and build up the intensity in some aspects and we will see where we are at. All right, so this is where we are at. This is actually really, I think I might buy another one because this is, I don't need another one. But this is, so I did the permagel and Extreme Black from Pat McGrath for the waterline. Ooh, oops, I have that big of a forehead. But I am actually really digging this quint. And this is definitely a color story I always gravitate towards. Don't know why, I just do. But let me go and do the rest of my face and then you guys will see the final look in a few moments. But as of right now, for tutorial number 2, oh, I think I might buy another one. No, I don't need another one. I might buy another one. I don't need it, but I might buy it. Like I said, we'll see what happens for the Black Friday sales. So, oh, I want another one. I don't need it. I do not need another one. I have plenty. I have plenty. But that, what is it? Mauve? No, not mauve. Naked Sunset for brow bone highlight is not bad. It is not bad at all because I thought it was gonna be too dark, but with this Nude Venus on top of it, oh, we'll see in a moment. Here is the final look. I mean, love it, in love with it. And I just love this Nude Venus 2. Really has more. I expected Nude Divine Rose 1 to be more of this type of a mauve. Obviously, Pat McGrath had other plans to do so. So, yeah. Lips, Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel with Pat McGrath Opulous Gloss on top. Pale Fire Nectar. Blush is Nude Venus 2. For a highlighter, I went ahead and used the Platinum Rose Water again, which is this one. I'm really digging that as a highlighter. Love it. Does the glow for bronzer. Becca still for the brows. Keeping it simple, keeping it cool, keeping it casual. But, yeah, tutorial number 2. It's just, it's such a bejeweled Bijoux collection for sure. As usual, to see the final edits, the final looks, and the final rahaha of this, go to my Instagram page to see it all. Oh, I mean, who is she? Who? Just loving it. Love. Mwah. See you guys next video.